Okay guys, tutorial na tayo sa YG Run Online. Okay, skip. Then rotate mo lang to. Then punta ka dito sa library, login. Check muna, then click Google account. Okay, then import games. Go to download. Then select YG Run Online. Confirm. Click mo lang tong apat na tuldok. Then PC Engine. Okay, graphics. Select mo tong 1024x768. Then GPU driver 830 Qualcomm. DXBK version select 2.3.1 AC. Then compatibility layer select Proton 9.0 64-3. Then translation param, performance, enable mo tong x87 double. Back. Then CPU translator box 64 0.39. Okay, then general, enter build virtual desktop. Okay, then my computer, go to file D, hanapin mo sa din download. Hintayin mo lang, medyo matagal mag-loading yung mga installer. Ayan, select YG. Then install. Install. Tail lang natin, medyo matagal. Parang PC din to. Okay, then finish. Agree, continue. Continue. Okay. Then tanggalin natin tong ano to. Back. Then punta ka ng HUD detail config, disable mo lang to. Then back. Graphics enhancement, super resolution. Controller, switch virtual button layout. Click this. Enter Morita code. Code. Back. Apply. Back. Start. Click account. Okay. Max down. Gagana ba? Skillan natin. Okay, left, right. Up, down. Gagana. Map. character skill bank. To